Hi and welcome to today's tutorial. So today we are going to learn on how to insert or how to use macros. So what is macro? Macro is basically is a way of shortcutting a number of different processes that you might do frequently without or throughout your document, frequently throughout your document. Or in other words, it's just to highlight the most important uh, part of the text within the document that are much more important and to you. So that is what you're going to learn today. So I have a document here, kind of a business agreement. So we are going to do a demo using it. So you go to view, click on view, then go to macros, then click on record macros. Then you click on uh, on here the icon keyboard, not button. So let's click on keyboard. Then here you need to create a new keyboard shortcut command, so that you will be able only to use that command to be able to highlight all that. So for me, the command that I'll use is F2, the functional key. I'll click assign, then close. Then I'll have a scroll. I'll have a scroll. You can be able to see at the mouse pointer. I have a little scroll. So that little scroll will help me to highlight on the important areas which I need to highlight in that manner. You highlight. Once you highlight the most important text within the document, then you go home. You can change the background color a little bit, highlight it with the background color. Or you can have an out boundary shape. If you want an outside boundary shape, then you can be able to add as well. But for me, I don't need that. So maybe we can just have it. Let's have it. But if you don't need it, well and good. So once we highlighted that area, then we go to stop, so that macro stops to record. We'd want to stop to record so that we do away with the scroll. So at any given point, we go to macros and we go to stop recording. Done. Then we are going to highlight the most important aspect of the document. Let's say here up to there. Then we can be able now to use our function. You click on the command key or your function key. Remember, you can use a command key, or you can just type in there command plus N. Then it might work for you. It depends with the Microsoft Office or application that you're using. But for me, I'm using a command key. Then if you use the command key, if I click on my F2, then the text is automatically highlighted or recorded. The most significant aspect of the document is highlighted. So let's see here. We can highlight there. Then we click on the F2. Then the text is highlighted. So that's how you can be able to use macros on Word document or in Word document to be able to help you sort out some other aspects within your document. Like that, you see. Then we want to do away with it. So for us to be able to do away with it, you go to View, then click on Macros, then click on View Macros. The window will pop up, then you delete it. When you delete it completely, then you close it. So let's highlight maybe a text and see if that aspect is still working. So what happens if you delete it? So let me click on my F2 functional key, or the command key that I'd already assigned to the text. You see the text is not highlighted. So that is how you can be able to use macros on your Word document. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and continue to support my YouTube channel, comment, share, and gives us a thumbs up. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.